Hi there, welcome to the programming course. If you've never learned to program before, you might be wondering, what exactly is programming? Well, when we write a program, we're giving the computer a series of commands for it to perform certain tasks. In this course, we'll be learning about how to program with the language Python. When we encounter the word Python, it reminds us of the frightening reptile. However, the programming language has been coined Python because just as the reptile has a flexible body, the language too is highly flexible and easy to learn. Python is an open source, object oriented, high level programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. It is a general purpose programming language that can be used effectively to build any kind of program that does not require direct access to the computer hardware. Some features of Python are: it is a free, open source and portable language having a large repository of libraries. It takes less time to develop as Python programs are typically 3 to 5 times shorter than Java programs. It's easily compatible with other languages like C++, C, Core, Java, etc. It supports graphical user interface and garbage collection. And also it can be used for both scientific and non-scientific purposes. So now let us look at how you must install Python on your Windows PC. First thing you want to do is open your trusted browser and go to python.org. So now once you're in the website, you will see the downloads tab. Click on the downloads tab. Now as of making this video, the latest version for Python is 3.9.2. So what you're going to have to do is you just click the download button, and once you see the file downloading, you run it. Now you'll have two options, either to choose choose a different location and add features, or you can just install it normally using the first option. So now once it has finished setting up and installing, you can just close this window and you can close your browser as well. Now to check if it's downloaded, you can see that there are three new um, that has popped up on your Windows. So to test it out, let us open one of them. So this is the IDLE shell. This is the Python interpreter. So let us test this out. Let us try printing hello world.